Alright guys, so I removed the compressor out from this vehicle. It's right there. Here's the AC line. Where is the other one? Well, the other one's there somewhere. Oh, it's right there. So I think they forgot to put oil in here. See, this one doesn't have oil at all. It's bone dry. Nothing coming out. And here is the new one. I pour the oil out just to make sure this one has some oil. And this one has a lot of oil. So now what? Well, this vehicle has only like 6,000 miles on it. Did they forgot to put oil in here? Well, I do not know, but normally you're supposed to have oil in there. Alright guys, so I did install the new AC compressor with the inverter in it. Now I'm adding Freon, and it's almost done here. Here's the old one. And after that, I am excited to drive this. Thought it was a touchscreen. You gotta close that. Oh, this one. I'll put it in park first, then close it. Now it's closing. Is it? It is not closing. Alright guys, so the engine is running. I did scan the system. I still have this history code. All I have to do now is delete it. Oh, it doesn't want me. It's supposed to be like that. Okay, so rescan it. So the system is not gonna let me delete the code when the engine is running. But right now I am ignition on, engine off. So I still have this history code. delete that one. Okay, now it's all good. Just rescan it again just to make sure. All right, it's all deleted. I'm gonna start the engine. Turn my AC on. It's gonna take a while. All right, now there's a cold air coming out. And I'm gonna go take it for a test drive. Now it's pretty cold. I'll go get my thermal so I can show you guys how cold it is now. All right now it is 55, 53. Yeah, 51 now. Then let's go ahead and scan it. Still good. Now let's go ahead and take it for a test drive. All right guys, so I made it back. That's probably like around 22 miles, something like that. It was a long test drive. So I'm gonna go scan it again. Scan it right here so you guys can see it. All right, so far so good. In the AC condition, it is cold, like freezing cold. Customer will appreciate this because it's going to be like more than 100 today, but her AC works fine right now. Really works. All right, I think that'll do it. Well, thank you guys for watching, and I apologize I did not film the AC and converter replacement, but if you guys have this kind of code on your Kia Sportage, you might want to check out the AC compressor first. All right, well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.